Is what is the volume of a cube with side length 8.1 millimeter? So I'm going to grab this question and I will paste it on. Sorry, I will have to include this question number also. Question number 4. And okay, so here we have done so far question number 3. Now question number 4 is what is the volume of a cube with side length 8.1? So part A, now side length is given and you have to find the area, sorry, you have to find the volume of a cube. So that will be equal to, as I just explained in previous lesson, that it will be cube of the side length. So side length right now is written as 8.1 millimeter and now I will take its cube. Okay, so I will take its cube by using calculator, and here you can see I will plus 8.1 and then this is the cube notation 531.441. 531.441. Can you tell me the unit? And who is this one? Please answer it once only. Yes, Ahmad Ashraf, very good. What will be the unit? All boys should answer. Where are other students? Umar Safwan, where are you? Please answer. Let me check if you are present. Okay, Al Sayyid Nasruddin, can you answer it? What will be the unit of this? As I am asking about the unit of this question which I have just solved. What will be the unit of this? I have just solved that 8.1 millimeter. I have just cubed it. What unit should I write here? Okay, you have answered it. Very good. But it is not correct. I've just explained to you that it is millimeter and you can see it here. We have to write its cube also. And Ahmad Ashraf, do not answer next question. So I will write it as millimeter and I will put small cube here. So that is the unit of millimeter. Okay, and similarly B part is again volume of a cube you have to find, and that is equal to, now you will put the you will take the cube of 0.7 and the unit is meter and I will write here cube. So it will be equal to, so I will take Umar Sohami, what you are saying, 0.7 and its cube. Abdul Ida Nader, it is page number 15 and 16. Page number 16, I think we know. We are at page number 16. Okay, so this one is 0.343. Okay, and guys is very correct. So guys, you should answer what will be its unit. What will be its unit? Ahmad Ashraf, very good. And Gayat, please, boys, You are not listening to me carefully. And Umar to Hami, no. Here you can see that it is meter. Okay, and it is given as meter, but I have to take cube of it. So I will must have to write it in cubic form. Okay, so this point is very important. I am telling you from previous lesson. I will write a small 3 at the upside of above the unit which is given to you. So is mean that it is meter cube 0.343, and the unit of volume is in always in cubic form. Okay. Yes, Umar Suhami, now you are correct. Okay, now next question is last question. What is the side length of a cube with volume? Al Hassan Muhammad is saying, sir, I am on the phone. I cannot. What you cannot? You cannot reply. So question number 5. What is the side length of a cube with volume? Now you can see that volume is given and you need to find the side length of this volume. So part A I'm gonna solve. So I will write side length of the cube will be equal to, now I will put the this sign I will choose from here, and this one is cube root. Where is my cursor? It has gone to next page, I think. Yes. So side of a cube is, answer C part you will do yourself. 117.649. 117.649. 117.649, and it is centimeter cube. Centimeter, and above here I will write cube here. Okay. So now I will solve it. So that will be equal to, okay, I need to, so I will take cube root of 100. Okay, yes, very good, Ahmad Ashraf. I will check it from calculator. 117.649, and I will take its cube root. Yes, it is 4 point. No, your answer is not correct, Ahmad. So this one is 4.9. 4.9, and what will be its unit? Okay, this is for C. I am asking for A. Okay, boys, tell me the unit. Yes, very good, Ahmad. Other students also should answer. Now it is the reverse of, it is the reverse, Al Hassan, it is the reverse of cube, as you are taking cube root. So in previous question we write cube here, but it is now we are taking cube root. So cube will be finished, cube will be eliminated. So I will write only centimeter, because the side length is always centimeter and volume is centimeter cube. So this point is very important. So whenever you will take the cube of any unit, you will write it in cubic form. So here you can see that I have written it as cubic form. When I take its cube, it was written in single form, millimeter. I took its cube, that's why I write millimeter cube here. And similarly, if I want to, uh, if I will take the square root for cube root. Now you can see that the unit given to me is in cubic form, centimeter cube. So when I will take the cube root of this value, it will be finished. The cube will be finished. I will write only centimeter. And only I'm asking for the unit. What will be unit of this? Can you answer? What will be the unit of part B? Yes, very good, Ahmad Ashraf. Ahmad Ashraf, very good. Okay, stop typing now. Umar Tohami, I'm just asking, it does not need any calculator. I am asking for the unit, millimeter cube. When you will find its side length, what will the unit you will write? Sir, you can take square root of negative. No, it is not possible. But you will study it in higher grades that square root of negative is a complex number. Right now, it is not possible for you to take the square root of a negative number. So it is very important and very good question you have asked. What is the square root of a negative number? Yes, that is actually a complex number you are finding. But right now you don't need to worry about. When you will be in higher grades, then you will understand it, inshallah. So no one is asking, no one is answering. Please tell me, boys. Millimeter cube, I will take its cube root. What will be the unit of side length? Only tell me the unit of side length. Umar Safwan, where are you? Mishari, please answer, boys. You are my genius students. Rawad, where are you? Rawad, I think you are sleeping now. You have opened your class and you have gone to sleep. This is not fair, boys. In my class, you should be attendant because yes, Musab. Okay, Rawad, then you should answer me. If you are not sleeping, then you should answer me. Yes, only Ahmad Ashraf is answering. Yes, Musab, you are also answering. Now you have answered. And okay, so its unit will be millimeter only. You will write mm only. And what about this one? If you will take cube root of this value, just finish cube here and write m only. Okay. So this is the end of this lesson, and only one question I need to solve. All the other question you can solve it by yourselves. Okay. Okay. So this is the end of exercise 1G. These exercises I am going to skip. Some exercises I am going to skip, and now I am going to exercise. This is actually HCF and LCM. Right now I will not teach you this one. I am just telling you about cube and cube roots. So okay, so this exercise we will complete today. Exercise 1K. And do this exercise without a calculator. Where the question asks for a square root, you only need to give the positive answer unless the question indicates otherwise. Means that if you are asked about the square root, you will write only positive number. Okay. So this one is very easy, boys. And question number 1, I am going to solve. Okay, so this one is exercise 1K. And this is actually, I'm just helping you to solve it. Otherwise, it will be solved by you yourself. And I have included some questions from this exercise in your worksheet also. I have uploaded. Today, I have uploaded the worksheet also. So in part A, you just have to multiply 8 by 8 and the answer will be 64. Okay, so 8 8s are 64. And these questions are very easy. And like C, in part C, you have to find the square root of 49. So this one is the square root of 49. So what will be the answer? Yes, very good. Correct answer. Who is answering? And I have requested you so many times, Ahmed Ashraf, you should write only once. So this will be equal to 7. Okay, so these questions are very easy. Can you tell me what will be the answer of part E? Without using calculator, you have to answer. Okay, very good, Ahmed Ashraf. And Umar Tahami, no, do not divide it by 2. This is, you are dividing it by 2, I think. Umar Tahami. You have to find that number in which we will, yes, Anas, very good, correct answer. Okay, Musab, no, you are multiplying it by 2. You have to find that number with which I will multiply that number. Answer should be 324. Yes, guys, very good. Umar Tuhami, now you are correct. So yes, guys, now you are correct. It will be 18. Very good. Because as you know that if I will multiply 18 with 18, so the answer would be 324. So this is a little bit calculations you need to perform by multiplying it. You can check it by checking individual numbers, and after 10 you can start. Yes, 10 square is 100, you know it, and 11 square is 121. So you can check it by one, checking every square or starting from 10. Okay, and once you will find that you will multiply 18 with 18, the answer will be 324. So without calculator, you can find it in this way. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. Now, next question is this one is you have to fill in the box. Okay, just wait. I will solve it on. Okay, so question number 2 is that there is a number with which you multiply with the same value. The answer should be 144. So can you answer it? Okay, yes, very good. Who is this? Ahmad Ashraf. Yes, correct answer. And Anas is saying no. No, it will not be 144. If you will multiply these values, it will not be 144. And it should be same value. With same value, you have to multiply. If, for example, I will choose 4, then I will have to choose here also 4. Because in both boxes, you have to write same number. Yes, Umar Tahami, very good. Gayatri Nawaf, correct answer. So, but 4 and 4 you will multiply, it will be 16. I will check 6, and 6 multiplied by 6 is 36. That is also not correct. It is being multiplied, my dear Musab. Yes, Anas, now you are correct. I will check each number. I will check, for example, 11. If I will check 11 multiplied by 11, the answer is 121. Still, I need to go further, and I will check the next number, 12. So 12 multiplied by 12, if I will multiply, so I will see that now this is the answer. 12 12s are 144. You can do it if you do not know the answer, you can multiply it with 12 and 12. So 12 twos are 24, you know the multiplication, and 12 ones are 12. Without the calculator, how you can find it? That's how I am, what I am telling you. 2 plus 2 is 4, and 1 will be as it is. So it is 144. So 12 is our number. We will write it. Okay, next is what is the area of a square with side length 11 centimeter? So area you need to find, area. So can you tell me? Okay, yes, very good. Ahmad Ashraf, correct answer. And Ahmad Ashraf, I am telling you, please write only once. Your answer should be in one line. Do not press enter, because your name will go up. I will not understand who is there. I will have to scroll up. That will take time for me. Okay. And Yusuf Abdul, okay, yes, your approach is correct, but your answer is not correct. Okay, Ahmad Ashraf, you need to replace your device. Your keyboard, I think, not working properly. Al Hassan, no, you don't need to multiply it by 2. Just take the square. If you want to find the area of a square, this is the point you are not understanding. By taking the square means does not mean multiplying it with 2. It does not mean multiplying by 2. It means that you have to multiply the number by itself. 11 multiplied by 11. Okay? What the hami know? 11 you have to multiply with 11, because we studied in previous lesson that if there is a square given to you and you have to take the you have to find the area of this square. How you can find it by taking the square of this given value of this side length. So 11 multiplied by 11 will be, yes Adnan, very good, it will be 121. Okay. And question number 4. So this one is also very easy. Okay, yes, you can do it. Okay, so here it is part B. In part B, it is minus 18 square, minus 18 square. So you need to find it by multiplying minus 18 with minus 18. Okay, so one thing is obvious that my answer would be positive. Why is this so? Because as you know that negative and negative will be positive. So I can erase these negative values, and I will just simply multiply 18 with the 18 and I can find the answer. It will be positive. Okay. And 64 square cube root. Okay, this answer you should answer. Its answer. What will be minus 6 multiplied by minus 6. And part C. I'm asking for part C, Ahmed. And yes, part C, Ahmed. Very good. Ahmed Ashraf, correct answer. Is my voice is lagging to all of the students? Is it okay now? Is it okay now? Okay, so you know that internet connections are interrupted sometimes. So this happens. Okay, so its answer, yes, Anas, very good. So minus 6 multiplied by minus 6, you will just multiply minus 6 and minus 6, the answer will be positive. And 6 is 36, you will write it. Okay, yes, Rawad, you can do this technique. Okay, question number 6 is what is the side length of a square with, okay, 5, question number 5 is, again you have to pick one number, and that one number will be multiplied by the same number. Answer should be 361. 361. What would be the answer? Can you answer it? And yes, very good, Ahmad Ashraf. Why you are writing M with it? Okay, yes, but your answer is not correct, Ahmed. I'm asking for question number 5. Okay, I think you are answering question number 6. Yes, guys, Nawaf, very good. Ahmed Ashraf, yes, correct answer. And Anas, very good. So its answer, you are answering almost all the students. It is 19. And question number 6 is, what is the side length of a square with area 169 meter square? Okay, yes, Ahmed Ashraf, now you are correct. So if you want to find the side length and area is given to you will take the square root of that value. You will take the square root of this value, not the cube root. Cube root is taken when the volume is given to you and you have to find the side length. Okay, so keep it in mind. Now this time area is given to you and you have to find the side length. So you will take its cube root and you know it is 13 and the unit will be meters. Okay, so these questions write down 289. Okay, yes, very good, Ahmad Ashraf. You have done it. Now 13 square is 169. Anas, you should increase your number. Yes, very good, Anas. Now you are correct. Its answer would be 17. So 17 and 17 multiplied by 289. So when you will take the square root of 289, it would be 17. Okay, yes, quite very good. And question number 8 is, what is the side length of a cube with volume 27 millimeter cube? Very good, Ahmad Ashraf. And write mm in small letters because you can see that the given value is also in small letters. You need to be write your units also in small letters. Yes, before answering next question. So side length of a cube can be found by taking the cube root of the given value. The given volume is 27. So I will take its cube root. So it will be 3. And it will be millimeter. And now it is asked that write down the both possible values for plus minus 36. So both possible values would be plus 6 and minus 6. Okay, so this